Time to talk winners and losers on Wall Street with financial expert Rob Black. Rob, always a pleasure to have you on. Good morning.
Good morning.
So what are we seeing? Yeah, what are we seeing on the markets today? S&P yesterday was doing what, and how's it compared to today?
So the half of the year is over. It's July 1st, and I'm going to give the stock market an A+ as far as report card goes. The S&P 500 hit records this morning again. I feel like a broken record. It's up 14.4% for the year. A lot of analysts are calling for a market correction or a pullback. Wouldn't be the worst thing in the world to cool things off. The jobless data was strong this morning. First time unemployment claims was under 400,000, which is good. Tomorrow we get the jobs report. That's going to be a game changer on Wall Street like it usually is the first Friday of every month. In 3 months from now, we better not be talking about oil at $75 a barrel, because that's the fear on Wall Street, is that inflation's out there, and we see it with oil as a prime example. And Robinhood, popular app, had to do a settlement with FINRA, a financial regulating agency in the United States, for $70 million, basically saying they did some funky stuff with options, with advertising, and with allowing people to trade stocks. Then things would suddenly muck up and people weren't able to get online. So very wild west with Robinhood.
Yeah.
It's really not a game, and that's one of the problems, that it feels like a game when you're on an app buying and selling stocks.
Okay. Yeah, it was kind of weird there for a little bit. But let's go from an up-and-coming company to a mainstay, a traditional company, one that's been around a while, Nike. And their business, you say, is thriving. They found the secret formula?
Yeah, the pandemic has really helped Nike out quite a lot, which surprises me, because when the pandemic hit, we were all talking about, is it safe to be next to somebody who's running and breathing heavy, and situations along those lines? But running was a thing. So Nike is doing quite well. I get emails all the time from viewers who are asking about Bitcoin. I'm like, why not just do Nike? They make billions of dollars. They're keeping the momentum going. This is what surprised me in their earnings report, was that they did $3 billion online. That's a lot of money. For back in the day, Daria and I would talk about, like, I got to go try it on. I got to put the shoes on, otherwise I can't buy them. We've gotten over that. Nike has somehow 300 million users of their app. And when they have us using the app, they know I'm a size 14. They know that I order every 6 months. They know that I look at running shoes. They get a lot of information, and they're using that to their advantage. And they're hitting on all strides. And I like Nike as a long-term investment, and I own shares of Nike. And again, sometimes we try to find things like Bitcoin when the obvious might be right in front of us.
There you go. All right, not bad. And then the last story today, I found kind of amusing, because Amazon, when I think Amazon, I think of a company that's got its fingers in just about every conceivable industry. They are a juggernaut, but yet they are the ones trying to build themselves as the intrepid leader of a group of ragtag companies trying to take on the big behemoth of Microsoft.
I know you, James, really well. I can always talk about Star Wars, Star Trek, NASA, and you'll light up like a candle. So Amazon's referring to Microsoft as the evil empire by saying, let's create a rebel alliance. They're trying to get together with Dropbox and a company called Slack. Slack makes a competitor to Office 365. So they do, slideshows, and they do emails and word processing, and Dropbox is a big storage idea. So Amazon's got Amazon Web Services, and continuing to build out their empire. They're getting into CDs, then they're into books, then they're into one-day delivery, TV shows, movies. You get the idea. They're moving into healthcare. Now they're moving into Microsoft's backyard of Microsoft 365. And I guess it's welcome competition, because they'll figure out a way to give it away for free with Amazon, as long as you use some sort of subscription long-term relationship with their web services. So it'll give us more options. But I don't know. Be careful going up against Microsoft, because the evil empire, it may not be fronted by Bill Gates, Lord Vader anymore, but they're still very, very formidable.
It'll be a clash of titans for sure. All right, Rob, thank you as always. So 4th of July recognized on Monday, so we don't see you till Tuesday, correct?
That sounds good by me.
Okay, all right,
Happy
we'll
holidays.
see you then. That means, folks, you got plenty of time to get your questions in, topics that you want Rob to cover, let him know. Facebook, Twitter, you can email him directly. And, of course, you can always check out his past segments on KRON4.com and connect with him there as well. We'll be right back.